Border color. After border color, we will see the call span. Call span will help you. It used to combine a space of two or more th and td. It used to combine the space of two or more th and td. Call span. Row span. Row span. It used to combine the space of two or more tr. Call span, row span. It used to combine a space of two or more THTD, and second will help you to combine the space of two or more TR. Next we have called border. Border already have added. Height of the table. It can be in pixel also, or it can be in percentage also. Then we have width of the table. It can be pixel or it can be percentage. It can be pixel or percentage. Next, after that, we have one more property called V-align. V-A-L-I-N, vertical align. Here number will come 300, 400, 500, but it can be in pixel or it can be in percentage. V-align has three value. Top. If you want to print something from the top, you can write V-align top. One option. Another option is V-align middle. Middle. Vertical align. Middle. M-I-D-D-L, middle. One more option we have V-align bottom. Three. Only align is written in the top. Only align we are written here. Only align deal with the left, right, center. Left, right, center. Vertical align, V-align deal with the top, middle, bottom. In the first case, you can write left is default. Default. Okay. In the last case, you can write V-align, you can write middle. Middle is default. Middle is default. V-align, vertical align, middle is default. V-align, vertical align, middle is default. Now we'll create the next file that is called table3.html. 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 Table will help you to create the report, to use to create the bill, to display the lakhs of the record in the grid, where you can apply the pagination, searching, sorting. Is important only, not meaningless. Very, very important. Okay. So we will be creating the file called table3.html. In table3.html, we will use the border property, border color property, and we will try to implement the call span. And we'll understand few level, okay, how call span is going to help us. Keyboard is visible because once we off the light, then maybe it will not be visible. For me, it's showing. Check yours. Not then we have to on that light and light in there. Okay, call span. So let's go. Hope you have written the notes. Create the file table3.html. Okay. Start from HTML. You can use the body tag. Under the body tag, we can follow one. We can follow one table. Okay. Under the table, you will use the caption also. And under the caption, you can use a font tag also. Right here, border color and call span. Call span example. Border color and call span example. Border color and call span example. Color you can fit here. If you want to set some color, color equal to assume call blue color. So the text will appear in blue color, and size if you want to increase, you can use here 6 or 7 or 5, your wish. 7 will be the maximum one. Under table, we can write a, under table we can write a tr. This tr will add here called th, SL number, serial number. Next th will be called full name. Full name. One more th will be called email ID. One more th will be called email remove. Keep here call mobile number. Keep one more th, city. Keep one more th, service. Keep one more th, status. Okay, so this many, assume this many type of data we have. This many type of column we have: serial number, full name, mobile number, city, service, and status. Serial number, full name, mobile number, city, service, and status. After adding this, all the th, for a table we have to apply some property, then it will look better. That property you apply here. First call keep a line so that it should come in the center. Second property you apply call self padding so that inside the table there will be some space. Third property cell spacing 0, no any space. Okay. Cell spacing, no any space. Between two cells, very less space. Then border color, BORDER, COLOR, COLOR. Border color may be green color or red color, any color. Border color, red, green, any color you can give. Add this all the properties. code is little spread. Just I have kept all in one, not multiple line. It look clean. But this tr was supposed to table was supposed to break the line, but added in the same line, so it should fit properly. After saving that, run your file. Check any border is coming or no border. Border is coming. Which color border? Okay. You can apply some border also. Border is a 1 or 2, and then see what is the thickness of the border. As of now, we have not added the border property. Okay, let me remove the align center and keep here border. BORDER. Border as a maybe 1 or maybe 2 or 3, 4, 5. So by default, this table is going to come for me in the left hand side, and there everywhere there will be 1 pixel border inside all the TH and TD, and the color of the border will be green color. Cell padding, if you remove, then single line border will not come. The border is coming now, you can check. It should be single line border. It should not be double line border. Should be single line border. I will run, will show you how that look. You can compare the same. Something like this. Cell padding I have given 7, so become as a huge. Cell 7 I have given. Let me keep as a 5. It should become a small font size. Okay, a small font size is coming. 7 was very good, very big. Okay, so you can see border line is how much pixel. Single line is coming border line. Single line border is coming. If you remove cell padding, then the border will not come single line. It will become a double line. You can try that. Cell padding are given 0. You can keep remove that and then check. The border will become double line border. Cell padding is given 1. Cell padding is given 0. 0. You can put some other number, or maybe you can remove completely cell padding. You will find the border will come as a double line border. So when you apply the single line border, you should not forget this. Cell padding must be there with the 0. Then only single line border will come. Else it will give a double line border. Okay. It will give double line border. Okay, ready? Let's come down and add one more TR. Add one more TR. Add one more TR. There we have to fill the data. There we have to fill the data. So inside the TD will add TD serial number 01, full name, Ganesh, mobile number, okay, city, belong to Mumbai, and service what is looking for? Looking for mobile repair. Okay, and the status of his task is not submitted or not assigned. Or instead of not assigned, you can put as a pending, single word. Okay, so in that, one customer has some details, some data. Now single line border will come everywhere. Single line border, you can check once. Something like this. Heading and first row must get ready for everyone. Then we can add the remaining field and we'll discuss on call span how it is going to work. Okay. Now suppose first user has posted the details. He has given all the details. Second user is in such a way. Second user we have in such a way. He has posted the details, but what type of service he is looking for, he has not mentioned. Second user, we have in such a way, what kind of service he is looking is not mentioned, or maybe the status of his task is not as of now anything. It's just posted. So let us go here. Add the second TR. So till here working for all, right? Second TR will add. In the second TR, PD01, 01 is already there, 02. Finish. Some other name. Phone number. From Mumbai. No, Mumbai already was there one. From Bangalore. He's looking for AC repair. AC repair. AC repair. But his task is still not assigned anywhere. It's an open task. Okay. The pending, the status was what we display for first user as a pending. For this user, the pending itself is not assigned or nothing is as of now status related. So you can find in this case one column is missing. That is called status. One column is missing. That is called status. If you run the page, how that look? It will look like one column is missing. Instead of displaying this empty column, using the service, instead of displaying the incomplete column, we will ask the service column to take the place of this column also, because this column is empty column, it has nothing. So instead of displaying as empty, we will ask the AC repair to spread till here. How that will happen? The AC repair TD have, in that you will write call span equal to 2. Like you take the place of two column, current column and next column also. That is called what? 2. One is the current TD and one more TD is the next. So it will become as a double TD. Is covering the space of two columns. Call span. The service column should cover the space of current column and it should cover the space of next column. Okay. Next, after that, let's see here how that look. See, it's covering the space of how many columns? Two column. That is called call span. Okay. When we want to combine the space of more than one column, we will use the call span property. Using call span, we can count the properly how many column we want to combine, and then we can merge that. Because here self padding have not mentioned as a 0. Self padding have to write as a 0. Cell spacing, not padding. Cell spacing equal to, it should be 0. Then it will show single border. Hope working. Okay. Full. Now let us come and we will add one more user where user has given the name, mobile number, city, but his what service he is looking for he has not mentioned. Okay. The third user we have, he has given the name, phone number, city, but he has not mentioned the service. If he will not mention the service, definitely a status will not come. So in that case, how many column will miss? Two column. One is the service, another one is called a status. Then at that point, the city column will be responsible to take the place of current one and two missing. Total is a 3. Okay, so that let's add and see how that looks. So let's go. Add the next ER. Next ER. Next ER is for third user. There we can add the name as something Rajesh. After that, we can a serial number. We need to add one more. TD 03 03. Then name is Rajesh. After that, his phone number keep 33333. After that, he has mentioned the city name, Kolkata. After that, he has not selected the service. He has not selected the service. If he has not selected the service, definitely one more column will missed out. That is called a status. Then total how many columns are missing here? First save the file and run the page. You will find total 3 column, 2 column will be missing. Save it and check once. Save this and run once. You will find 2 column will be missing column. Two column will be missing column, something like this. 2 are missing. In that case, you have option. You can open the TD and close the TD empty. There is no problem. Okay. We can open 2 times TD and close the TD. It will show empty TD. But you will not be able to implement the call span. Empty we can keep. That we have idea. Okay. Open and close. That's all. Okay. But how to understand the call span? So now see, 2 are missing already. One is the service, another one is status. Before that, city column is exist. Now, for the city column, there will be responsibility to take the place of 3 column. So what we will do, one is already the city that is called Kolkata and 2 are missing. So we can write call span 3. One is the current one and 2 is missing. So call span equal to 3. Call span equal to 3. Call span equal to 3. Now you can see the city will take the place of all the columns, all 3, something like this. Next user you add user number 4 with all the details. Add the user number 4 with all the details, all 6 columns. User number 4 you add with all the details. TR, TD 04. Next TD something. next TD, phone number, next TD, city name, next city, service, next TD, next TD, please check once. Okay. So user number 4 is ready with all the details. Correct. Now we need to add one user where he has mentioned everything, but he has not filled the mobile number. Okay, he has written the name, he has written the city, what he is searching for, what is the status, but he has missed out the mobile number. Then what will happen? Name has to cover the space of mobile number. City will not take the place of mobile number. Who will take? The first occurrence, not the second occurrence. Suppose if the name is mobile number is missing, city cannot take that place. Who can take? Name can take. Okay, so that way we have to add. So let's try. Add a user number 5. Add a user number 5 where he has given all the details and he has missed out the this one college mobile number. Okay, so 05 05 next TD will be called his name Alex. Okay, directly after that he has filled the from which city is from. After that he has filled next what he is looking for. Okay, next he has to status of that. Okay, pending or not approved. Not approved. Why? Because phone number is missing. Okay, repair person is unable to contact him. So that what is not approved. So what we have to do now, you can write the call span from your side and then check. Where we will apply the call span? For the which TD? Name TD. Call span 2. Current one and next one. Which one is missing? Mobile is missing. Before mobile who is coming, name is coming. So it is the responsibility of the name column to cover the next column. So that you will write for name Alex TD call span 2. It will take the current column and it will take the next column as well. Replies should come in the chat if any problem. Okay, I can share you the code. I can handle your system. I can guide you through the different way. But if any error not running, you can let me know in the chat. If running well, no need to reply. Or if you are replying, then it will be very good. I will understand where are you. In case any problem, you should reply in the chat. I'll guide you immediately. Hope added. College for how much? 2. It will take the place of mobile. Something like this. Okay. This is the TD. Will go here. Call span 2. So it will take the place of current TD and it will take the place of next TD also. So we got some idea what is the meaning of call span. If you look into your mark sheet, if you look into the bill copy, bill, invoice we get no invoice bill. In that what will happen? Multiple row column will be merged, right? There people use this technique. This technique, call span and row span. Okay. In our mark sheet, college mark sheet, there is a very difficult design, right? Multiple row and columns are combined. Okay. Same way, I'm going to give you some photos also today after the class. Okay. We'll give the URL directly in that. Many photos are there. You can try based on call span, row span. Okay. Let us look now. So something like this. Alex is covering the space of how much? 2 column. He has not entered the mobile number because of that. Admin has not approved his requirement. Says like not approved because number is not there where to contact. Right? Okay. Next, in this file, we will add one more user who has entered the name and after that everything is missing. Serial number and name and after that everything is missing. Okay, maybe last will come as a not approved. Let's go. So suppose if you are planning to keep a user where name is enter, serial number will come automatically, name is enter, city is not there and the service is not there. Then name will take how many place? Name will take the place of, or maybe suppose if the service is also not entered, then what is the need to display not approved? Then service status will also come as a blank only. So if it display only name, then name has to cover the space of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. 5 columns. Okay. Let's come to the code now. Right there, tr, and write a td. tr and td. 06. 06. Okay. 06. Then td. Mahendra. Okay. After that, this is going to cover the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Call span equal to 5. Manoj, you are designing something. You can close your designing tool. For whom? Manoj Kumar. You have opened your tool and you design on our screen. Can you erase that?
Okay, sir.
If not happen from your side, I will guide you. Let me Go here and stop sharing. Again, I have to share. Then it will get clear. Okay. Now hope it will get clear now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we added call span. How many? 5. In case if you want to display the name in the middle, what you have to do? Name where it is coming now? Name is coming in the left side, correct? Name is coming in the left side. Okay. Why? Because TD has covered the 5 column, no problem. Here. TD has covered the 5 column, but their starting is from where? Left hand side. TD by default start from left side. Not TD, all the tags. Okay, one TS tag we have that start with the middle, remaining all nature of all the tags start from the left side. Now, when we come to this, inside we can find the TD is coming in the left hand side. We have a property called align. Align. Using align property, wherever you want, you can put it. Left, right, or center. Okay. So put align equal to center. CENTER. So it will come in the middle directly. So coming where? In the middle. Middle only, no? Okay. So in this file, you understood some idea on call span. Now next file will create one row span. Okay. And after understanding the row span, we will mix both together, row span and call span. Okay. We will not mix both call span and row span. So hope no error. If no error, then you can create the next file, table4.html. Create the next file, table4.html. Table4.html we can create. Okay, in table4.html, HTML you start here, follow the body tag, come inside, create a table, let it be simple, align as a center, and cell padding 10 and border. Border will come, border, let it be 10 border, it will become look like 3D table. If you want to apply BG border color. Okay. Okay, hope ready. Write inside a caption tag. CAPTION. Caption tag that should be as a H1 and write call row span in table. Row span in table. Minimum property I have added so that we can focus on row span. Write TR. TR we can take from previous table, the first TR, because the number of column will remain same. Please take the TR from the previous table, the first TR. The first TR you can take from the previous table. First TR you take from the previous table. Hope ready? Check once. Something like this. Fat line will come surrounding the table. You can increase the border 100 and then check. After increasing and decreasing the border, you can run the page. You will identify yes, what is happening. Then we'll keep the border as a one only at last. So have you given 100? Give 100 and then check. Check, check. It's not paper. Paper means one paper will be waste. It is what? Whatever we want to try, try. Okay. Write anything, erase immediately. Paper is not going to waste anywhere. Okay. It is reusable paper. System is reusable paper. So we given 100 and checked, right? Let me give 100 also. The border, what we are giving, inside will be less only. Remaining will get apply outside. But you are not going to create this kind of table in professional life. In professional life, there will be something else. Okay. Less look and feel, more functionality. Okay. Like for this example, this you created, this look more clean. Okay. Okay. Just for understanding what will happen if you give more border. So you saw one pixel border apply inside, the remaining border will get applied outside. Okay. Inside and outside, if you want to apply equal border, then we have to take a help from CSS. Come now. For this TR, we will add one BG color. Whenever you write the BG color, it's a single word, no space between two. BG color equal to suppose orange color. So background color of the first TR, the BG color of first TR will change into orange color. Orange is coming on the top, orange color, okay? Okay. Now let's go ahead. Write the first customer with all the details. TD, serial number 01, full name, ROSSAN, Roshan. Mobile number, next is called city, from Bangalore. Next is called service, looking for job. Next is status, in process, in process. Okay. So first customer came with all the details, right? Now suppose you have second customer, he also belong to Bangalore only. Okay, one customer we added, he belong to Bangalore. Next to that, one more customer that also belong to Bangalore. Then what will happen? We have to display the Bangalore two times. First user also Bangalore, second user also Bangalore. Data will be duplicate. That is against of your normalization process. Normalization process is like in one page, suppose you are displaying two records. Both are one after other. There is a chance to display once and represent two. There is a chance to display once and represent for two. Then why to display two times? Okay. So that all come under the normalization process where we optimize the code, where we normalization the word from the database is not from the HTML. Okay, that normalization word also says like if you have something duplicate, don't use again and again. Duplicate data, delete and use the unique one. Okay, now come. We are going to add the second user. Add the second user. In the second user, you add a TD. Keep here called 02. 02. Add the next TD. Ganesh. Okay, next TD again add Bangalore. Next TD add one more. He's looking for something else. Okay, he's looking for water. Okay, now what is that? Delivered. Delivered. Mobile number we have not written. Yes, it's missing. Mobile number is 7777. Something we added random number. Okay. Okay. Hope you are it. Check now. The data is coming. Bangalore how many times? Bangalore is coming two times. Correct. You want to remove the duplicate record? If yes, then we have to take the help from the row span. Row span will come. Row span will say first Bangalore, you go and take the place of second Bangalore and remove the second Bangalore. So no need to display the Bangalore two times. Bangalore will be only one and it will represent for both the user. Locality can be something else. One is in Marathali, another one is Silk Boat. Okay, but city is what? Only one. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let me first show you how that table looks. Here is the page. This is the one. Okay. Both belong to Bangalore. Or you want to let first user like that and second user onwards. So better I'll suggest the second user keep from Chennai. Okay. Chennai. Third user also belong to Chennai. First row, no modification. Let it be one record for one user, everything. Second row user and third row user, city belong to, city is same. So how to plan for that? Okay, let's come now. Write the third user, third TR. So hope you are not finding difficulties to write HTML. HTML is easy plus interesting. Just we need to anyhow, for open and close, you have got solution. No? Which one? Auto close. Once you open, close will happen automatically. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. Write the TD. Second TD. Username is third is Satish. Third user is Satish. Satish. Okay. And he has some number. Is 11111111 something. Okay. Now Satish belong to again Chennai only. Okay. Next, what is looking for? Home shifting. Home shifting. And his request is still not assigned. Okay, it's not assigned to any agent as of now. He has posted a requirement and just like that. What is missing? 2, 4, 6. Okay. So now Chennai is coming how many times? 2 times. In this also, second Chennai cannot take the place of first Chennai. Always the first Chennai will take the second place of second Chennai. That meaning the first occurrence of your value will occupy the second, not the second to the first. Okay. So if you have written this, then let us come here and go for Chennai. In the second user that is called Ganesh and he belong to Chennai. Now under the first occurrence of Chennai record, we are going to write here called row span. Row span equal to how many? 2. Row span equal to 2. Once you add row span 2, row span 2, okay, row span 2. Now once we have added row span 2, then this Chennai will take the place in this TD and the same Chennai will take the place here also. So one Chennai will go outside. Instead of Chennai going outside, one TD will go outside, last TD. Column count does not match. Error will come, column count does not match. Why? Because here how many columns? 6. And here how many? 7. One will go outside. So you must have to comment the second Chennai. Don't delete. Okay, if you delete, then while looking into letter, you will feel what is happening here. So select this TD and do right click, and you have option called block comment. Okay, the select this TD, the Chennai second TD, select that, and you have option here. Do the right click. There is option called block comment. So that line will get commented. Compiler will ignore that line. For us, it will be as a reference. Yes, Chennai was here also. We have commented it. Okay, just comment this, then save the file and check once. Now it should look proper. While filling them, we need extra brain, no? Still, we are still just understanding the ABCD. Automatically, once we remember one A to Z, we will start writing Bangalore. Correct or not? Once we are able to write the Bangalore, then we can write I am in Bangalore. Once we are able to write I am in Bangalore, then we can write multiple lines also what I am doing in Bangalore. Meaning is what? Directly we cannot reach in between. We have to start from beginning. Your HTML is the ABCD of your web technology. Okay, it's ABCD of web technology. In that we are learning a static how to create the pages. Okay, this is HTML. It is not DHTML. Okay, DHTML, same HTML will convert into DHTML once you merge with the JavaScript. Okay, so we will get lot of logic, but step by step. So as of now, how we are writing manually, correct? Once we'll get some more idea, then manual thing will convert into automatic. Okay, in market there is a profile called testing profile. In that there is a two type of work. One is called manual tester, another one is called automation tester. So the person who work on automation testing, he must be aware of manual testing. Then only you can do, because he know what is my problem. Okay, he has idea what is my problem. I am doing this work again and again. So instead of doing the work manually again and again, why can't this bulk work I will give to the system? And saying like, I'm not capable to do all again and again, please you do. Okay, so that is called as what? Automation. Okay. Instead of doing so, before writing the logic, we need to have a static knowledge. Yes, how we can do a static, how we can create one. And if you are able to create 1 and 2 and 3, then we can think, okay, instead of writing 3 times, why can't I put in a loop? I will write 1 time and loop will repeat 3 times. Automatically it will come 3 times. Okay, so those all are on the way, don't worry. Okay. Okay. So hope written. It's fitting properly. See, Chennai is covering how many? It's covering as a 2 rows. This is called a row span. With the help of row span, we can cover the space of 2 or more TR. Okay, we can combine the space of 2 or more TR. Come now. Write the next TR where next TR a user has everything. Okay, so you can give some space here. See, give a space like this. A space you can give like this. See, I have given some space. That meaning when I will open this file later, I will understand, yes, there is a relation between these two TR. Okay, relation is between two TR combining the space of first row to second row. Okay, give much space, no problem at all. Come down again, write the third TR, fourth TR. The fourth TR will be follow a TD. Inside that, next TD, keep name call Alex. Should be TD Alex. Okay. Next TD is call his number 222 Next TD is his city. Belong to Delhi. Okay. Next TD. What is that? Okay. He is looking for something. Bike repair. Repair. Next, after that, the next TD completed. So that meaning this user has all the details. This user has all the details. Okay. Next, come after this. So this user got all the details. Next user, next user, next user, what you can say is he also looking for the same service. Which service? Bike repair only. Next user belong to different city, belong to Bangalore, but he is also looking for the bike repair. So what we'll do is the service of row number 4 will be merged with the service of row number 5. Something like this. Write together. Next TR. Next TR. TD 5. He is called some name. He is have some number. Next, he is from Chennai and he is also looking for bike repair. Repair and his status is still pending. His status is still pending. So what to do? In which row TD we should write row span 2? Row number 4 or row number 5? Yes, in row number 4 we have a bike repair TD. In that we'll write row span 2. So it will take the place of row number 4 and the same time it will take the place of row number 5 as well. So we can write here row span 2 and you must have to comment the bike repair from the row number 5. So select this and do the block comment. Assume like it's not exist for the system. So now happening. Okay, right? Now one next scenario. Okay, hope everyone have written. In this, we will add one more column on the top call. Okay, in the same page, we will add one more column in the first row call posted date. Posted date. Suppose you went to a website, maybe Just Dial, maybe Sulekha, maybe some other website you went. You pasted your requirement. So like that, like you, daily how many people will post? So many users will post. Suppose this 1 to 5 is the requirement of one day. These all are the requirement of one day. In one day, this many requirement people has posted. Okay. In that, we will put a column here called posted date. And for all the posting, there should be only one date. For all the posting, there should be only one date. Then what will happen? You will add a th here in the first row orange block, that is called post date. And after that, that particular, how many lines should cover? How many rows should cover? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 tier are there. So there you will create a TD and you will add the row span equal to 5. Then it will cover in the first also, second also, third in the fourth and fifth also. Okay. But question is, fine, we will add here. No problem. Let's go add it. Then next question will come out. I will ask you. So hope this pending, this fourth number and fifth number we have added. Let's wait 1 minute. For me, they will be little slow. Add it. Okay, ready. Go ahead next. Suppose this is the first row, orange block. Add one TR, add one TH here, called posted date. Posted date. Posted date. If you check your page, all the row will be incomplete. After adding this column, you will see your all the row is incomplete. Everywhere one column will be missing. Because everywhere we have taken the calculation of 6 and in the first we got as a 7. So everywhere there will be column count mismatch. See, column count mismatch is happening. Now we want to display from top to bottom everywhere in one column itself, saying like posted on 27th April. Okay, so we have to add one TD. We have to add one TD. So where to add? In the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. Which row? First row. Let's go to the first row. In the first row, add one TD. 27th April 2022. Okay. So this is covering in the first row only. Remaining missing are 4 to 5 rows are there. Okay. So we have to run the page and we need to check total how many TR we have, and that many number will be as a row span. So let us go to the page and check once. So we went here and we saw how many total rows. Total are 5. So for this TD we can write row span how much? Row span 5? Row span, huh? 5, correct? We can write here now. Here we can write row span equal to 5. Row span equal to 5. Check now. So printing between all, right? It's come between all, correct? No, between all, it will come in the center. In developer guide today, you have written one property. Today you have written one property called V align. V align. That's called as a vertical align. Okay, vertical align have 3 values. V align have 3 values. One is called top, second is middle, and third is called bottom. And we are written default is middle. It's coming in the middle, right? Now is your wish. If you want to display on the top of the row, you can write V align as a top. If you want to display complete in the last, then V align as a bottom. If you want to display in the middle, no need to add anything because by default is middle only. So where to add? For the TD. For the TD, we need to add V align. VALIGN. V align equal to where? Top. Let's add here. V align equal to top. So it will get added in the complete beginning of your table. It will get added in the beginning of the table. Okay, ready? So hope it is coming on the top. It's coming on the top, right? Let's apply one BG color also. For the last TD, apply one BG color. BG color, any color, sky blue. Coming, BG color is sky blue. So it is, hope basic fundamental is clear. Call span, meaning what? To cover the space of multiple columns, TH and TD. Row span meaning is what? To cover the space of multiple TR. Okay. That will be more clear if we do some assignment. Okay. That will be more clear if we do some assignment. So I will share you one URL. In that URL, you are going to work on the first set number 1. Basic row column, row column, row column. Okay. What we have learned, all will be remember for you. Okay. After that, I guess many people, 15 people are in the group. Okay. So whoever are not in the group, they can message to this WhatsApp 888416660. WhatsApp admin, still I am not there. They have not added me. I am there, but I am not admin. So Kirtana is admin as of now, that's the counselor. So 888416660. On this WhatsApp, you can message, add me in the group. Your name, you can say your name, and you can say add me in the group. You can message to this number. I will also message her to add you in the group. And after that, after 1 hour, I will send you once everyone get added. 15, 16 are there. I will ask the remaining people to get added. And then once everyone get added, I will send you an URL. In that URL, I will guide you. Like you will open the page. In that, there will be photos. Okay. I will open now and I'll show you. That URL I will share in the group. You will click on photo will appear. Like that, you need to create the pages. Okay, and after creating the page, once your page is ready, you need to open the which one? WhatsApp, go to the group, click on photo, take the photo of your screen and post in the group. Clear? No? Means after creating the page, where you will post, not to me individual, in the group. Okay, so I will keep watching. Along with that, many people will see. Okay, if in case you need any help, you write there only, this is not happening, help me out. Maybe I will reply or someone else will reply. Okay, so that will become a what? Discussion forum where everyone can post their task. If any problem, someone will guide you. Border color give blue, you will get idea. Okay, or maybe on the same photo they will mark, they'll reply you, this is something to do with something like this. So it will be helpful for you. Okay, so let me show you the URL. It is our website only. Just I have changed from one URL to other URL. Few content I have shifted as of now. Okay, where is the LMS below? So what we will do is, I will show you URL. I will send you a URL. I will send you in the chat and the WhatsApp group. HTML assignment. I will send you this URL. Hold on, let it open. Okay, can you see these photos? This is photo set wise. It was earlier in the different website, so I have changed from there and shifted here. This is set one, how many? 246. Set 2 also is a table only, just call as one. Table set 3 is a different, that we are going to learn after 2 classes. Now suppose if you want to do the set 1 first image, you will click here. After clicking, it will open a complete photo. See how it is going to open? It will open a photo. Now see in that, how many row and how many columns? First row, 3 rows is there. In that first row, only one TD. Call span how much? 2. It's covering the full width. Second row, see, 1 TD is there, first TD. Row span is 2. Row span is 2. This is the row span only, no? And this is what? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Need to apply little thought, okay? Let me go to the second one. In the second one, see, you can get some idea how many tier, how many row? 3 row. 3 row we have. Then 2 are there. But in the first row, there is a second TD. In the first row, the second TD. See, this is one TD, this is one column, and this is the second column. Total number of rows are 3. In the first row, there is a second TD that has row span how much? 3. It's written here, no? Merging 3 rows. So how much? Row span how much? 3. Row span will be 3. So hopefully we'll get some idea. Now let's go here. The third photo. See third photo. Heading is separate. What heading we created today? While adding the data, Ali physics and Umar physics, how much total? 75%. That meaning here what is happening? Row span how much? 2. Row span 2. We have made similar example here. Here row span how many? 5. Here the row span is 2, correct? So just slowly, without much hurry and something here there, okay, step by step, only you try the 6 photos. How many photos are there? 6 photos. That is for the today, okay. Tomorrow I will guide you some more thing. After that, we will go for the which assignment? Set number 2. Okay, just you click on photo, it will open. Go there, see in the one phone you can see, and the laptop you can write. Okay, after creating that, just take the photo and click and send in the group. So it will be clear, yes, who is doing and who is not doing. Okay, if you are doing, then how it look, not doing, that definitely nothing will look. Okay, so I will send you this URL in half an hour or 1 hour by 6:30. Once I will ask the Kirtana, missing people should get added into the list, and after that I will send you the URL. Okay, okay, so hope clear or not clear? Yes, no, chat is available, you should reply there. Okay, assignment will make you hero, keep in mind. Okay, keep in mind, assignment will make you hero. Simple. Okay, there is a lot of assignment. Earlier it was in the different website. That website was very slow. Okay, it was developed in different framework. So few days, not few days, like Sunday I am sitting now to 2 hours and just moving the content from that website to this website. Okay, systematically. So user people, whoever are doing assignment, they should not mix everything step by step. Okay, HTML set 1, set 2, set 3, topic wise. Okay, it will be helpful. Okay, fine then. Thank you. See you tomorrow.